No.
5 minutes.
Hey.
We love the Gooners! We love the Gooners! No?
What? Oh, sorry.
This is definitely going on YouTube. Yeah.
Oh, this is.
Hey! What about Chelsea? Chelsea! Oh no, you got this. We hate Chelsea! We hate Chelsea!
Never mind.
And Beckham!
I thought Beckham was down in LA.
It's still crap.
Okay, well,
You know what? He's 34, 35, right, past it. He wants his...
Yeah, but he has a Spice Girl as a girlfriend.
That's varsity.
Isn't she a spotted... She's one hell of a spotty woman. There's nothing sexy about spotted Beckham. What did you want to call her? What about your,
Pear is London pears or like
Take over.
What secret claim to fame you can't put on the YouTube?
Look, should have got it.
yeah.
Hey, how many gigabytes you got on that phone?
I got fucking like a lot, man. It's gonna go a long time.
On part 6.
Yeah. How many gigabytes you got on that phone over there?
Couple.
Yeah. You tell you what, you being at school and the amount that cost you to record me, you're in debt. You're in debt big time. But I tell you what, if you make any money from this footage, 50-50. This time, yeah?
That's a good deal, bro.
50-50. I don't care what the solicitors say, High Court judge, whatever. We split it, yeah?
It's fine. 70-30. 70-30.
Spotty agrees with it. Yeah? Yeah, you're a no. What's your agreement on that?
Yay or nay?
I play that.
I'm a yay. I'm a yay.
If you ain't too far away, I'll shake your hand.
How about we go to the pub and
Hang on.
Arsenal?
No, I'll shake your hand. Too far away, so I won't.
Yeah, I will.
And you over there! It's a secret, man!
I'm not gonna go through
All I see is your left hand up in the air. Yeah. Olé, olé, olé! Olé, olé, olé! Hey, oh, ready?
Liverpool.
You fat! Your ass is up for grabs! Liverpool! Liverpool! Chelsea! Yeah! They were a bigger fat load of losers! With a Greek manager who can't win the Carling Cup! Woo! They're not going to win the league or the Euro. Oh, guys, didn't they get knocked out by Barnsley this afternoon?
Yeah.
He's like a soccer movie.
Hey! Watch out for Arsenal!